Wait, I don't pass. Oh yeah, go was saying, come. It's like it's okay like this, Abby. Oh yeah, it's me. Thank you. Shaggi. He get one boy where they live from Mushin Losha. In him na Shaggi, they walk he kakaraka. But he get the madness where they put them for palava. If he see Shaggi, make it jack back. Shaggi na tailor, Shaggi na carpenter. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi na husband, Shaggi na driver. Shaggi na trouble, Shaggi no
Shaggi.
Ma.
How many times did I call you?
Shaggi, ma. 6 times.
Very stupid. I called you 3 times, Shaggi. What gave you the audacity to fight who you've never met before in this house? So if my friends I've not seen before come to this house, that is how you're going to treat them?
Madam, no be me start fight. Now the man start fight. That man will see now.
Is that the reason why you have to fight him in my house?
I'm sorry, ma.
I'm so disappointed in you, Shaggi.
Sorry, ma.
That should be the last time, I repeat, the last time that rubbish will ever happen again.
Yeah,
did I make myself clear?
Yes, ma.
Did I make myself clear?
Yes, ma. I don't hear. What's up?
Baby, are you okay?
Danny, can you imagine?
What has brother Shaggi done again?
Shaggi practically fought my barrister yesterday when he came to the house.
What's your barrister?
Yes!
Brother Shaggi.
Sir.
Always you. Is that true?
No, ma. So no, sir. It's not me that.
Can you just keep quiet? Yeah? Are you mad? Yeah? What is your problem? You came in here on Friday, 1st of February 2020 at exactly 6:31 p.m. Willie brought you here. And it has not up to 24 hours.
Can you imagine?
You have turned the whole Banana Island to a chaos. Yeah? What is your problem? Listen to me, young man. I did not build this gold-plated mansion that I spent well over 1.2 billion to build. And you come here, you poor masses just want to change my house to a WWE wrestling ground. Eh? Can you keep quiet? I'm still talking.
Sorry, sir.
Listen, if your blood is too hot and you feel like fighting, I can help you put a call across to Mayweather or Anthony Joshua. They will come here so that you people will punch it head to head. What is your problem?
Sorry, sir.
Or if you feel like fighting, you can go back to Mushino, where Willie brought you from. You get to the point now?
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Baby, is the food ready?
Where's Asuama?
She has already for kitchen.
Go and call her for me.
Alright.
Let me be ready.
Sorry.
You are very stupid. Baby, arrange that box for me. I'm going to do packaging on there. $1.
Hello.
Nedu, why you come my house, you no come tell me? Why you come my Oka house now? Why you no call me?
Which one be say why I come your house, I no tell you. I want to tell you. You when I call your number, I call your number. Go Rimaiga, and they tell me say you say your phone don't switch off. I mean I you switch off the phone, I mean the phone switch you off. You can't talk with that.
Nedu, no vex. It be like say the battery for my phone dey bad. Nedu, wait for call me now.
Me we don't even my BP I see am for eye. My BP don't high. My body they shake. Even my brain everywhere they shake. I know well. I come there, I come see those 2 radical boys and him brother. That radical and him brother now.
Shaggi and Musa.
And brother and name be that I don't even know.
Ah, my love.
I don't suffer. I don't suffer for this time. That's Asuama mebo feno. I don't know. That your car just beat the kind beating where that your car give me. And if I receive that kind beating, the younger man, nobody don't beat me like that before. That man beat me, bass, boost, bam, boom, kick me, jack me, hit for crank, knock me everywhere, turn me. In fact, the way when he can't beat me, I can't wonder where I want use me do money ritual. Because the way they beat me that say make money come out. Come, even no vex. That your car. That ritualis. No vex. Na producer MB. Because the way when he take they beat me, even young John, the wicked producer, no wicked like that. All this one I suffer for off of your head and off of my life. You imagine?
No worry. You know what I could do? See, next week like this, I go tell my madam say my mama is sick, so I won't go see my mama. Then I go call your house.
Bravo!
My love, I will call you back away.
Hello?
Well done! Prison break! Michael Scofield wife, Mrs. Scofield. Abi, you don't apply escape route where you say you go take comot for this house. No worry, madam, they call you. If I reach us, I go tell madam say you won't come live for her.
Shaggi, leave me alone. Abeg, just leave me alone.
I owe you before. No, I know, say I owe you before. I tell you say I won't follow you go see your mama wey sick.
Mama no go sick in Jesus' name.
So you know say your mama no sick, but they lie on top the woman. Abi, because of man. Abi, no wahala. Madam, they call you. By the time I reach us, if I don't tell her say you want life, or I call me bastard.
Shaggi, abeg.
So you feel it down. see the way God dey walk. So you feel it down. Asuama. God, thank you. You guys I don't toast all this one, I no gree. You feel it down. You will say billionaire. Abi, most finest, most beautiful guy in Akwa Ibom. Well done. Beautiful pageants. No worry. Stand up, no worry. Madam, they call you. Madam, they call you. You know, okay, you know what? Give me your number. You don't want me to tell madam. Give me your number. He shock you. Give me your number. Have you no one?
Shaggi.
Now I don't get time for all this one though.
Shaggi.
One go see man. We wait there here. We know the important. Abi, you don't say fam. What did you say fam?
I don't say fam.
What did you say fam?
I don't say fam.
You don't say fam. Yeah, save it. Save it right. Asuama. Capital letter. Asuama. Oh yeah. Yeah, put my love. You never finish. Put my love. Asuama my love. So that we Asuama my love. After I don't put that one, we are gonna put flower for the head. So that I know that it's you.
I don't know if flower for your phone.
Flower no dey my phone. Really, but you say that all those stupid phone wey your boyfriend dey use. See the fair flower. Anyone wey you use, if you not green, this one will be like a wedge. Don't say this number dey for WhatsApp.
I don't know use WhatsApp.
WhatsApp will call. One korodo money. No what? See, as it dey like this, I don't have you to beneficial. That means you are important. Oh yeah. Asuama don so. Kemu as ye. I get.
Gani. Everything dey okay.
No, everything no dey okay. Shebi as you enter here, you see us say we dey cry.
No, I see your Juliet, she dey kneel down.
No, if I see my Romeo. Oga, wetin happen jo?
Me, I just say you dey call me.
Who call you?
Na, you dey shout what since now?
Wait, you hear me say your ear, e be like say you don block. I go carry go plumber, make dem help you flush am. Who call you?
I hear when you dey call my name now.
Me call you. Where dey go? I no call you.
You
No, you dey slow yourself, I no call you.
Where have you been since?
I in the kitchen.
Doing what in the kitchen? Because I can't remember telling you to cook anything.
Hey, madam, I just think say my separate things in case you want chop am later.
Oh, okay. That's good. Have you eaten?
No, madam, I never chop breakfast.
Who asked you if you've eaten breakfast or not? Is this girl okay? I have to say a very simple question. Have you eaten?
No, ma.
Where's Shaggy?
In the kitchen.
Oh, I see. So you and Shaggy are in the kitchen together, right?
No, ma. Eh, at the kitchen. In come call me. Tell me say now you. They call me. Now why I come?
Oh, okay. That's true. Yeah, I remember. Go and call him for me.
Okay, madam.
Say this guy give me wrong number. Egbam. Hey, that mean this guy give wrong number. Asuama, you no try you. You no try. You think say you wise, abi? You think say you wise? No wahala. Even 3 wise men that they learn from me, I go show you today. Sebi, very good.
Shaggy, madam they call you.
Very good. Now madam place if I dey go. Sebi, you think say you get sense, abi? Now me you give fake number. Hey me, never know anything.
Shaggy, no my number I give you. Village na network.
Na network. Na network, abi? Okay, very good. Where your phone?
You my room.
You dey room. For when you say when you just call your stupid boyfriend now, na you dey room, abi?
Shaggy, till a face. Hey! Ah! See, as madam come here, I put on the phone for my room. They say if madam see me before, madam go dey sound. I don't make madam sound. Ah!
Oya, make you go your room, go carry the phone.
Very good. Very good. Hey! Come back here. Come back here. Come to the app. You're going to our room. So do what exactly?
Share room. And now, she said the tap for her room, you don't spoil.
Hey, madam, my shower spoiled.
She said the toilet no dey flush.
Madam, na for day before you used to be that thing spoiled. Both of you are mad. So it's me you want to toss around like football, right?
Madam, we no fit dey when I no be Ronaldo. And na true, I tell you so.
The tap in your room is bad. Oh, yeah, come and show me now.
Ma?
Eh? What is air? What is air? No, you've gone deaf all of a sudden now. You are now deaf. The tap in your room is bad, right?
Yes.
Yes, no.
Yes,
Yes.
he bad.
No.
He bad. Yes.
It's bad.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, come and show me now.
Madam, it's the screwdriver. There's no screwdriver. That's what that's what I want to go and buy. That
Chief.
What is it again? Baby, I want you to come and assist me. You choose from the golden wardrobe a cloth that I will wear for Hushpuppi's birthday. You got the point now?
Chief, please give me 5 minutes. Please give me 5 minutes. Let me deal with these people.
Baby, I don't have time. Leave this madman alone. Come and help me do something because my time is fast running. Meanwhile, brother Shaggi,
Sir?
you go and call Willie for me so that he can arrange those security men. I need them for this movement.
Security.
I mean security people.
All right, no problem.
Go with them.
No problem. No problem.
You get the point now?
Smart. Yes.
Baby, yeah, please.
Shaggy, you will come and meet me here. You will come and meet me. As for you, Asuama. As for you. Okay. No problem.
Sorry, madam. No go happen. Wait. Check if you give me number. Sorry, song. All this song.
What are you doing there?
That's about it.
You're feeling yourself old.
Yes, now. Hushpuppi will know that I came to his birthday this year.
I trust you.
You get to the point now? Meanwhile, where is everybody in this house?
Easily and security not here yet.
But I thought I asked brother Shaggi to call Willie and the security for me.
Yes, you did.
So,
Shaggy!
Brother, hey, brother, hey, everybody zangalewa. Yeah! Come here, brother, play attention! Hey, Chasa!
Brother Shaggi, what is this public display of madness all about? Are you now the member of security force?
Sir, we are, because you know we are police agency.
Where is the security people I asked you to call for me?
So that's why we are here, because you know we are like a total package. As anything you want, you can do it. You don't need all those ones, you now collect security now, you're just wasting money.
Na waste of money if you go dey pay people outside.
Oh no, I will dey here.
How will you do am?
That has not answered my question, and you are not punching it. Me, self, I am not even getting the point. Maybe do you get the point?
I don't get the point.
What do you mean?
So maybe let's give you some other package of this. Brother, attention!
Hey!
Come to the hideout!
Position!
Killer is target! Sir, how do you sit down?
Shaggi. He get the one boy with the live for Mushin Losha. His name na Shaggi, they walk he kakaraka. But he get the madness where they put him for palava. If he see Shaggi, make it jack back, Shaggi na tailor, Shaggi na carpenter. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi na husband, Shaggi na driver. Shaggi na trouble, Shaggi no the green. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava.